Hi guys, it's Deborah again. On this video I'm going to teach you hip bumps. It's going to be 1 and 2 and then single hip bumps, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to turn my back and you can watch me from the back. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to start off with double hips right. So with 1 and 2 and then double hips left. 3 and 4. Okay, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Double right, double left. Double right, double left. With a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to do singles. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips right, left, right, left. Or doubles. Double right, double left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doubles. Double right, double left, right, left, right, left. With a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is doubles and single hip bumps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.